Hi everyone, welcome to Azure TV. First of all, friends, I am going to make this video in English because I am instructed by admin to make this video in English because this is sponsored video. So I am going to make this video in English. First of all, you have to create account on this website. For this, you have to go here like I am trying to show you that how you can make your account. So the link, the website link is in the video description. So first you have to submit your number here and after that password, and here in this section my referral code will be here, and after that you have to submit here the verification code will be here, and you have to submit the verification code, and after that when you will click on register, your account will be registered and you will be automatically logged in your account. Now I am going to log in my account because I am already registered here in this site. So guys, here you can log in your account, and again in login you have to submit the verification code. The verification code right now here is 66853, and when you will click on login, your account will be automatically logged in. This is sponsored video. I am going to announce already. I have already announced it for you guys that this is sponsored video, and if you want to invest in this site, you will be invest at your own risk. Okay, so first of all I will tell you how you can recharge. Okay, and for recharge you have to click on recharge, and you have to bind here your depositing address. Okay, so here in this section you have to bind your depositing address. You can deposit from your Binance account, you can deposit from any exchange. Like here is my Binance USDT address. I will copy here and I will bind it here. Okay, and when I will bind it here, I will just simply click on save, and they will ask me whether to save this TRC20 wallet, and you must be sure that you are submitting the TRC20 wallet. Okay, and when you will click on yes, and here the next section will become in front of you, and you have to copy the website TRC20 address. Okay, you have to copy it here, and when you copy here, you can recharge amount $5, $10, $50. You can choose any amount you like as per your wish. And for example, if you want to deposit $5, you have to click here $5. But if you are depositing from Binance, you can't just deposit $5 because Binance minimum withdrawal is $10, and you have to submit click here $10, and you have to like go here in Binance, and you have to send from here. You have to send $11, so $1 Binance fee will be deducted, and the remaining $10 will be received here. But you have to submit the hash ID. You have to submit the hash ID here, and after that you can also click here. You can also click here for screenshot. When you will click here, your gallery will be open, and if you take the screenshot of your transaction, you have to simply upload that screenshot, attach that screenshot here, and you can also submit the hash ID here. And when you will click on upload, your video will be your recharge will be done, and after few minutes, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, your deposit your recharge will be completed. Now guys, let's come to here for work section, that how you can work on this website. So here is the option of mining machine. You have to click on here mining machine. Guys, let me tell you that when you will register on this website, you will get 5 USDT bonus. Okay, you will get 5 USDT bonus, and you can rent the mining machine with that $5. Okay, so here you can see that here is the option of first $5 in this miner. You can rent with 5 USDT bonus. Okay, and here are different plans. You can see mining machines like $10, $50, $100, $200. Like if we just like check the mining returns of this $100 mining machine, and the return is like $0.50 is quite good. And if you calculate, it is like $0.25 per hour multiplied by 24, so it's $6 in 24 hours. If you like mine it for 24 hours, you will get $6 on $100 investment. And if you are if you are mining it 12 hours, but like guys, if you don't stop the mining will be continuously running, so you will get the $6 full amount in 24 hours on $100 investment. And if you choose any other miner, you will get earnings like this. And the $5 mining machine will pay you $0.012, so it's 0.012 multiplied by 24, so it's $0.28, $0.30 daily you can get from this miner. And now if we try to withdraw Okay, I will withdraw my sponsor income, $20, $10 live withdraw. I will do it for you. So you have to go here in withdraw section, and you have to submit your TRC20 wallet address. So I am going again in my Binance wallet. I will simply choose my depositing address and USDT and Tron network, and this is my USDT depositing address. That's where I want to receive my withdraw, and I will submit the password here of my account. So guys, here I have modified my withdrawal details, and you can also click here on check option to fully verified your Binance account, and here you need to fill the withdrawal amount. If I am going to withdraw the $10, so I will write here 10 and I will enter here my password. So I have submitted the password, but this is not the login password, but a withdrawal password. So when you will modify your Binance account, your TRC20 wallet, so you have to write the in password section the new password of withdrawal password. And when you will set all this, and after that you can simply click on withdrawal, and when you will click on withdrawal, it will be show that withdrawal success, and within few hours you will receive withdraw. You can check here the withdrawal timings. This is the withdrawal timings of 9 p.m. to 2 p.m. at night. This is Mexican time. I have clarified to admin that is this Pakistani time or any other country, and she said that this is Mexican time from 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. at night. So guys, you can see I have received my withdrawal successfully. You can check here in my email 8.2 USDT, and there is some withdrawal fees as well. So I have received 8.2 USDT, withdrawal 10 USDT, and I have received 8.2 USDT. So in also you can see here in website, you can see the withdrawal is successful, and you can check date and time, and this is all. So guys, you can check, and the link of this website will be in the description, and you can visit this site, and if you like, you can invest at your own risk. And if you like the video, please click like on like button and subscribe this channel. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.